Hello everyone! In this video, I suggest to use a technical analysis. We will look for some working cases on the market and try to make money on them. We will use a 15-second time frame because this kind of display of candles is most understandable and familiar to me. We will open trades for 1-2 minutes and we'll start today with a fairly small amount of money of $67. We will try to increase our deposit by $10,000. And before we get started, don't forget to get a profitable trading signal from me. Just send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram and I will add you to my closed Telegram channel where I'm going to share them with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. So also be sure to watch this video to the end because probably you will like this method of trading and you will use it in your trading. So now let's get started. So here the price is moving in a downtrend. The price made a good bounce up from the support level. In such a case, we open a trade for a fall for 2 minutes because earlier, after a bound up, the price still made a reversal and began to decline to this level. The main price highs on the chart are decreasing and at the same time, there's still a long distance to the support level. This indicates that the price has a good downward potential and I think that it's more likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move down the downtrend and will approach the marked level. We took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account that the price may still go on and only then a price reversal will happen. So let's wait for the result. The price shows a strong decline and then begins to move up. At the same time, our trade closes below the entry point and here we make a profit. 2 minutes in this case turn out to be enough for us, so we made money on our first trade. Let's continue and find some other working case. Here the price is moving in a downtrend and at the moment the price is going down. In such a case, we open a trade for a fall for a minute because we see that the main price highs on the chart are getting lower and after a fairly strong pullback of the price up, the price made a reversal and continued to move down. I think it's more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move down in a downtrend and I hope that 1 minute in this case will be quite enough for us. So let's wait for the result. The price is moving according to our scenario and several red candles are forming on the chart in a row. Thus, we make a profit here. Now let's continue and find some other working cases. Here the price is moving in the sideways trend and at the moment it touches the lower limit and goes up. In such a case, we will open a trade for a raise for 2 minutes since I think the price will continue to move towards the upper limit. We have already seen just such a movement on the chart several times before and after a fairly strong decline, the price stopped near the lower border and made a reversal and began to move up. This is how we understand that the price has the potential to increase and in this case we took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account the possible pullback down or trading. So let's just see what's going to happen here in the next few minutes. The price is showing good growth and even despite the large impulsive red candle, our trade closes above the entry point and here we make a profit. 2 minutes in this case was just perfect for us, so I suggest we continue and look and follow in market case. The price moved by impulse to the upper limit of the sideways trend and at the moment it's making a good rebound down. In such a case, we open a trade for a raise for 2 minutes since there's still a long distance to the upper limit. And also after a strong upward impulse, the price pulled back down, but at the same time, it's still holding strongly above the lower limit of the sideways trend. That is, it tells us that the price has a good potential for growth. And I think that in the near future, the price will touch the upper limit again and may try to break through it. So let's wait for the result. The price broke through the upper limit of the sideways trend with an impulse and then a reaction immediately occurred and the price pulled back down to this limit. At the same time, we were able to make money here and 2 minutes here turned out to be quite enough for us. Thus, our initial amount of money has already increased by 10 times. This is a great result and I suggest we continue and find the next entry point. Here we have a support level at the bottom and at the same moment, the price is bouncing up from this level. In such a case, we will open a trade for a raise for a minute because I think that the price will continue to move up. Previously, the price had already been held in this zone several times and after a pullback down, the price made a reversal again and continues to move up. This is all it tells us that the price has a good potential for growth and I think that in the near future, we will see an increase in the price. So let's wait for the result. The price entered the trading zone, but at the same time, our trade closes above the entry point, and here we make a profit. And 1 minute here was quite enough for us. Now let's continue and find some other working cases. Here the price showed a strong decline, but then made a reversal and is currently moving up. At the same time, we see that earlier the price made a reversal from this area and showed strong growth. In such a case, we open a trade for a raise for 2 minutes, since we still have a long distance to reach the resistance level. And at the same time, the price shows up mainly with green candles. That is, the price has a good potential for growth. And I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move up along the emerging upward trend. And let's wait for the result. The price is moving according to our scenario and is approaching the resistance level. Thus, here we get a confident plus, and 2 minutes in this case was just perfect for us. Thus, we already have almost $3,000 on a deposit, so we're confidently approaching our trading goal for today. Therefore, I suggest to continue and find the next entry point. Here, the price showed good growth, then it pulled back down from the resistance level and is currently approaching this level again. In such a case, I open a trade for a raise because earlier price has already tried to break through this level several times, and at the same time we see that the main price lows on the chart are getting higher, and there is still enough space left from our entry point to the resistance level. All this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential to increase. Therefore, I think it's more likely that now the price will try to break through this level, and on such an upward movement here we will try to make money. And here we took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account the possible trading or a pullback down. So let's wait for the result. The price moves according to our scenario and goes beyond the level. Thus, here we get a confident plus, and we chose the right time for the trade here. Now let's continue and find another working case for today. Here the price shows a strong decline, and at the moment the price continued to move down. Here I open a trade for a fall because there's still room to reach the minimum point on the chart. The main price highs on the chart are decreasing, and at the same time, after a slight pullback up, the price makes a reversal again and shows a decrease. The price has a good potential to increase. So it's more likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move down in a downtrend. And I think that 2 minutes for such a movement will be quite enough for us. So let's just wait for the result. The price shows a slight decrease and our trade here closes in plus. Thus, we already made almost $10,000 on a deposit. The trading goal for today is fulfilled, so I fixed the profit and leave the market. In this video, we traded based on technical analysis and we used support and resistance levels, took into account the market trend and paid attention to the nature of candles. And all the cases gave us profit. You can also try this approach in your trading and make money. Trade as much as possible and then you will definitely succeed. I hope this video turned out to be useful for you and you like this way of trading. If you want to get profitable trading signals from me, send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram and I will add you to my close Telegram channel where I'm going to share them with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. See you soon. Bye!